Hello viewers, this is YangaLife channel and you are welcome to this channel. Yes, to be precise, about 6 weeks ago, we brought to you Ibusa Road. That's inside Asaba here. Ibusa Road is the road that connects down to the main Ibusa town. So we brought to you that area, how it was, waterlogged and a whole lot of that. So, but today we, thought it twice to update you guys what is happening there live at Ibusa Road inside Asaba. So now we are bringing to you the recent update concerning the Ibusa Road. Now we have diverted into Ibusa Road, so we are going to move down towards that axis. Let's see what is going on. Yes, if you are passing through here now, you need to be careful because construction work is going on. Vehicles are facing the traffic on one side of the lane, so you need to be patient and navigate carefully. So you can see by the other side the drainage is done and dusted at the other side. So but we are going to have a good look at the other side, why the drainage fixing is ongoing. All these drainage are being fixed. It's not the one that they will come and cast. Yes, it's the same CCECC. That's the company that built that Coca flyover that is still handling this road. And then I believe that after the fixing of the drainage, that they are going to, tar the road. Yes, we'll go around and see what this road looks like presently, what is going on, and we are going to move across under the flyover towards the other side, and you also have a look of the work that is going on there. So that is it. So let's keep going to observe this area. Now, because of the waterlogged area, that the government has thought it wise to work on the drainage system and work on the road entirely. Probably at the end of this video I will just show you a clip of what we saw last time that we visited here, how water took over every place within this area. So but it's quite a good initiative to reconstruct the drainage system and make it the road motorable once again. So let's keep going. You can see the water is still there, but because of the ongoing construction of the drainage, very soon it will all disappear into the drainage system. So here now is the beginning of the drainage. Is because that this area is a busy area, so they have to cover the gutters. That place is very close to the flyover, so it is well covered and people use it as a walkway somehow. Well, you can see that the drainages are being fixed, and it seems that the fixed drainage is solid and can stand the test of time. Well, let's keep watching and see what the areas look like. So the work is moving from here down towards that water logged side. But however, the other side of the road is done and dusted. The other side of the drainage. So, but we are going to have a walk through the other side. You can see this side now is completed. So, but the whole drainage system is not covered, and there is stagnant water. Probably they have not, done with the other end, so that the water can be flowing. Like I used to say, any drainage channel that is not flowing, it means that something is wrong. It's not properly a drainage. So, but this one, I guess that sand is blocking somewhere there. It's not yet free to flow. So, but we are just observing. After this area, we'll cross under the flyover to see what is happening the other side, as moving towards Ibusa proper. But we are not going to go far, just a little bit movement. We'll see what is going on. Well, one thing about this Asian company is that they have a very neat work, probably because the drainage is fixed, not casted on the ground there. So let's cross over to the other side and have a look of what is going on there. Yes, we are there at the site. The same CCECC that is handling the same project. This road runs across under the flyover towards Ibusa Junction inside Asaba. So you can see how this side looks like with a good road caps. You can see the company is not JB, is not RCC, but the company is quite doing a good job here. So you can have a critical look of the job that they are doing. Well, quite impressive. So just like I said, there are some key projects that the government needs to hand over to experienced contractors. There is no doubt about that. You don't give all the project to local contractors, that will come and do a kind of palliative work, which is what we don't need now. Any construction that is going on now should be solid and up to standard. Well, we are done with this side, so we've turned, moving towards the flyover and having a look of this environment. So this is the Coca flyover, and we are, at the end of this video. But like I promised you guys, I said I will show you just some summary of the previous time that we visited here, how it was looking like, so that you follow up and understand what we are talking about. So, but it's nice that the Delta State government thought it twice to, engage construction company, an experienced one, to take care of that road with a good drainage system. So that is what I will just show you briefly how the place was looking like some 6 weeks ago. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Are involved, how many roads that are involved, and the type of work that they are going to do on the road. Yes, that's a good development. Like I said, this is what we have been saying in our channels. There is no doubt JB is good in road construction. So if you are sure of getting 2 or 3 roads done from them, at least you are sure of the roads. Like I said, the idea is engaging them, and gradually you can be paying them. At least they are trusted, and you are sure of what they are giving you. Though the money may be too high, but it worth it. That is what Delta State is doing now. They have engaged Bega to forge ahead with road construction in Warri and the Frun axis for now. Yes, we are still moving along, Ibusa Road, moving towards Coca Junction. You see this place. In fact, this water used to be one tiny water by the roadside, but now it has covered the whole road and crossed over to the other side. This is very serious. This water has been here for some time now. Whenever it rains, the whole place is being taken over. But well, I thank God I saw a kind of excavator or something, trying to create drainage. on the other side for now. I know that they are going to cross over, but just like I said, why constructing a city, there is what they call central drainage. That is the main drainage that takes water out of that city. Asaba has the advantage of River Niger. River Niger is not far from Asaba. Just behind that place we are coming from is River Niger. I don't know what is difficult in planning a central drainage system. Even if it's not central, drainage system is not about digging gutters. It's about digging gutters and making it functional. Does the water drains when it enters the gutter? That is the issue. It's not just about digging gutters. You say you are building drainage. Does it drains water? If water enters there, does it go out? That is the main function of having a drainage system. So we've just turned. Let's have a better look at that area. You can see that vehicles are following one lane, even though we follow the other side. If you wish, if you think that your vehicle can pass there, you can just drive through. But you have not committed anything. Vehicles are following here using this one-way axis. So you can see now they are using one lane, and these tractors are working on the other lane, or caterpillars, excavators. So that is it. You can see the water has crossed over. It doesn't used to be like this when last we visited here. But you can see what is happening here. This place needs a very serious attention, and I believe that the governor has given it attention, because I know that he sees this water. And that is it. So like I said, I will give you a little rundown of that contract being given to Julius Berger by the governor of Delta State, Oboriweri, for residents of the twin cities of Warri and the Efrun, Delta State Commercial Nerve Center. The good times are back with the announcement of the State Executive Council's approval for the award of contract worth 78 billion naira to construction giant Julius Berger Nigeria Limited for the construction of the flyover, bridges, clover leaf, and road expansions. Yes, clover leaf is a kind of interchange. There's a particular type of interchange, flyovers and bridges. Then the governor made good his promise to the people of Warri and Uvie when on Tuesday the Delta State Executive Council at its second meeting, under his watch, announced the approval of 78 billion contract for 3 flyovers, 1 clover leaf, and road expansion works within the Warri and the Efrun metropolis. If you hear of clover leaf, it's just a type of interchange. That type of interchange at Obosi, that type of interchange that links Second Niger Bridge at Obosi, and that type at Opiweka, that is cloverleaf interchange, so that you have an idea of what we are talking about. Then Izezi, if I should pronounce that name well, Izeze, the Commissioner of Works, Delta State, said the justification for the choosing of Julius Berger was due to their experience and competitive pricing in relation to quality of works and timely delivery of projects. Yes, when we talk about Berger, it's not that Berger is not the only good construction company. RCC is good, and the likes of them, CCC and the likes of them. So, but Berger always remain Berger, and people that loves quality engages them to construct their roads and other, infrastructures. Then State Commissioner for Finance, Chief Fidelis Tilijie, on his part, said the contract was worth 78 billion, while the state government would make 25% advance payment of 19.5 billion naira, with the balance paid through an ISPO for 30 months. That's for 30 months, they will be giving them the balance gradually while work is going on. That is a very good and wonderful idea. Like I said, we have said it here several times. That can help a lot to ease up constant construction of road by government. So the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Works, Engineer Fred Edafiego, who gave details of the project, said the contract includes the design and construction of flyover bridge from Enehe Junction to Marine Gates. If you know these places, just follow up, you understand the explanation. Then study, design and construction of road expansion and improvement works on the section of the DSC/MPA expressway from Efrun roundabout to DSC roundabout, including construction of a 3/4 cloverleaf interchange at the existing Efrun flyover bridge, as well as 2 pedestrian bridges. Yes, even included the pedestrian bridges in the construction. Like I said, I'm giving you the details, the very details of this construction. Yes. Then this is Coca Junction. Now Coca Junction has a flyover. It has a flyover now that it has solved a whole lot of traffic situation here. Before now, if you come here, you will spend like 1 hour to move down and turn. Sometimes you spend more than 1 hour. But Okowa has done justice to that by giving Delta State and Asaba people this flyover and a very good roundabout underneath, so that there is nothing like traffic hold up here again. Once you come, you move your way according to the direction that you are moving, and that is it. So now we are moving down to Asaba Bini Expressway. There is one bad area I want to show you along this expressway. One different one is not the one I've shown you in the other video. This one is quite different. So I'm going to show it to you so that in case if you are coming towards that side, you'll be aware a lot of vehicles are gone bad, and it has destroyed a lot of vehicles that the driver is not aware of that place. So before knowing what is happening,